Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tundra tailgate latch. This is a common repair that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. We'll cover everything from preparing your workspace to testing the new latch. You'll need a T30 Torx bit, an 8mm or 10mm socket, a ratchet, and needle nose pliers. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get that old latch out. First, open your tailgate and remove the inner access panel. You'll typically find 8 screws holding it in place, usually requiring a T30 Torx bit. Once the panel is off, you'll see the latch mechanism. Use needle nose pliers to carefully detach the 2 rods connected to the latch. Then, remove the 2 bolts, often 8 or 10mm, holding the latch in place, and slide it out. With the old latch removed, it's time for the new one. If your new latch didn't come with a lock cylinder, carefully transfer your existing one. Slide the new latch assembly into position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall the 2 8mm or 10mm bolts to secure it firmly. Finally, reattach the 2 operating rods to the new latch, making sure the retaining clips snap securely into place. Before you finish up, double-check all your connections to ensure everything is tight and secure. Give the new latch a few pushes to confirm it moves freely. Then, reinstall the inner tailgate access panel, securing it with all 8 T30 Torx screws. Finally, close and open your tailgate several times to make sure the new latch is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your tailgate latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.